In front of me is REALME C73, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off a location. Begin by going into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned white, which means that location is off. To turn it on, hit the same shortcut until it's blue. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down to click on Location section, and use this switcher next to Location Services to manage them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!